Hello, welcome to Academic Showcase. My name is Hannah Burchard, and I am sophomore at the University of Maryland in the Life Science Scholars Program. I have decided for my practicum to research the lifelong side effects of acquiring a DVM. A DVM is a Doctor of Veterinary Medicine that allows an individual to immediately go into practice once they have graduated from an accredited veterinary school. As of 2016, the average veterinarian faces about $160,000 worth of student loan debt once they completed veterinary school. That, combined with high expectations from the client and from the veterinarian themselves, means the job can quickly become demanding to the point of being overwhelming. With all this being said, I wanted to further my research of the field and look at it holistically and address my hypothesis that acquiring a DVM allows a person to live an adaptable lifestyle and perform veterinary work, as well as having the opportunity to explore other fields while still working with animals. What I found through my research is that a DVM does not limit a veterinarian from working in medicine, but they can also go into zookeeping, laboratory animal management, education by teaching at a university, running their own farm, and a variety of other different areas. As you can see in the figure in the middle, the field consists of predominantly females, 61.7% as of 2018. The mean graduation age for veterinary students was 28, but if a student decides to specialize in a specific species, more years could be added till graduation. Now, understanding the demographics of the field, it was time to look at challenges. Veterinarians often face difficulties in their field, one of which is imposter syndrome. Imposter syndrome is second-guessing your own abilities, feeling like a fraud despite achievements you may have. Another issue among veterinarians is the suicide rate. As of 2020, 10% of veterinarian deaths were due to suicide, and 75% of those deaths were small animal veterinarians. When addressing my adaptable lifestyle part of my hypothesis, I found an interview with Dr. Betsy Fainer, an associate veterinarian, and she explained that she wanted to keep work and life separated, and the only way to do that was by setting boundaries. Her budget is given as an example on the right of how she allocates her money, and that by being disciplined, she still has the flexibility to live her life outside of the veterinary work. One might wonder why a person would pursue this occupation because of all the obstacles and hardships faced. Based on veterinarian interviews, the biggest reason veterinarians continue to stay within the field is because the job gives them a purpose and provides a feeling of fulfillment. Knowing that you are a part of something larger can be a great motivator, and that is where we go into the life science applications. Animal science occupations parallel human science occupations in that they are both focused on the welfare of living beings, both are technologically advancing every day, both require dedication and resilience in order to be successful. Just as physical health matters to keep the body performing to its fullest, so does mental health. Veterinarian medicine is a high-risk occupation for suicide. Veterinarians often experience burnout and compassion fatigue that leads to stress and becoming overwhelmed. Bringing to attention the difficulties veterinarians face will help encourage change and determining solutions, such as counseling for practicing veterinarians, encouraging recognition of achievement, and forming manageable goals for the staff. Advancements within the small animal medical field can often lead to advancements within the human medical field, which is why it is important for both occupations to help each other. After the research I compiled, I plan to continue on the pre-veterinary track at UMD and attend the Virginia Maryland Regional Veterinary School at Virginia Tech to obtain my DVM. I intend to go into large animal or exotic practice, but I hope to one day, once I am established and gain many more years of experience, to own my own practice and offer free spay and neuter clinics to combat the stray animal population that is consistently growing. I have learned a lot from this research and would like to thank the life science professors for having us complete this project. I would also like to thank the animal science staff and faculty and professors for showing me the possibilities that come with graduating with an animal science degree. Thank you.